How to remove green screen in DaVinci Resolve. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you my method to get the best results. Here I have my sample footage on the timeline. For better results, try to have even lighting on the screen and avoid having creases or dark spots. And obviously don't wear anything green. Next, make sure you have the FX tab open. Select the Open FX, type in 3D into search and drag the 3D key here on the clip. Nothing happens yet, and this might be a little confusing for some because first, you need to select Open FX Overlay from this drop-down menu. Now, make sure you have this eyedropper selected, and with that, you can draw on the green screen to get all the parts like this. Here we go. Here you see the result. To remove that green halo around you, slide the despill value up to 1, and this should be good enough. For extra fine-tuning, you can go into matte finesse and play with the values like black clip and clean black. And if you accidentally click on the background, just click Ctrl Z to go back. If you have an edge in your video that you want to cut out, you can select the cropping view from the drop-down menu and bring in that side like this. So if you have something like this in the video, it just demonstrates. You can use the garbage matte option. Then when you select the shape, you can cut it out. Or if you invert the garbage matte, you can create a mask, for example, to create a circle. Now, if for some reason the 3D keyer doesn't work, you can also try the HSL keyer. First, delete the 3D keyer if you still have it on the layer. Find HSL from the effects, drag it on the clip. First, select the base color, and then by selecting the plus icon, eyedropper with the plus icon, you can select rest of the green shades. Oops, there you go. Okay, pretty good. Last thing to do is to add the background image or video on the timeline like this. And now we're good to go.